Hi, this is Mike from J&M Reviews, and this is a sponsored video by HRBZO. They provided me a sample of their USB cable. So it's a three-pack. It's a USB high-quality charging cable. So as you can see, it looks very nice. So it has this side of the cable. It has over here so to charge it. So this, of course, is the USB, and then this would go into your device. Comes wrapped with its little string here. So they have different sizes. So this is the smaller one. You have these two are the larger ones, you can see. So yeah, so it just depends on what you need. They are the same. As you can see, I'll show you. The cables are the same. And this one is the same as well. So it's basically you're just getting a three-pack. This is the small one, and then these two are the larger ones. So this is the package that it comes in. Pretty simple, plain. Yeah, so it just, if you need a charging cable, you definitely want to check this out. And it's nice that it comes in three, and the cable seems pretty sturdy. It's not like a flimsy, thin little cable. It's pretty rigid and it's pretty tough. So it's nice that you have three. So in case you lose one or something, you have a spare. So hopefully this helps, and hope you enjoyed the review.